The Great Elephant. One day an elephant wandered into a jungle in search of friend. He saw a monkey on a tree. Elephant said, "Will you be my friend?" Monkey replied, "You are too big. You cannot swing from tree like me." Next day he meet a rabbit. "Will you be my friend?" Rabbit replied, "You are too big. You cannot play in my burrow." Then he went to frog. "Please make friendship with me." "How it is possible? You are too big." "You cannot live about like me." Elephant was upset. A fox appeared. He asked her, "Will you be happy to have a friend?" Fox said, "Sorry sir, you are too big." The next day, elephants saw all the animals were running for their lives. Elephant asked the fox, "What is the matter?" Fox replied, "There is a lion and he is trying to kill all of us." All the animals were running away to hide. Meanwhile, the lion kept eating up. However, he could find. The elephant went to the lion and said, "Please, Mr. Lion, do not eat up all these animals." Lion replied, "Mind your own business." The elephant had no choice. But to give the lion a hefty kick. The frightened lion ran for his life. The elephant fled back in the jungle and announced the good news all animals. All the animals thanked him and said, "You are just the right size to be our friends." Moral: a friend indeed is a friend indeed.